Professor Pee-wee, and this is Professor
Potty!
And today we are going to be disappearing water.
Ooh.
So, Professor Potty,
I have got flat.
That's 3 cups.
3 cups.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour water into one of these cups, and you guys have to remember which cup it is. Think you can do that?
Yes.
Yeah? Lovely. So, before I do that, do you know the scientific name for water?
H2O.
Can you say that at home? We need to go H2O! Lovely, thank you very much. So, in goes the water. So, we'll pour into here. So, was it this cup? Was it this cup? Was it this cup? Now that'd be way too easy, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix them up. Now remember, what do keen scientists do? Keen scientists, they use their... So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix them up, ready? So watching, ready? Oh, it's definitely not that one then. So, was it this one? Was it this one? Was it this one? Oh, that'd be way too easy. Okay, so we're going to do them again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, what's that over there? Isn't that for? Do you remember which one it was? No. So I'll tell you what. If we forget which one it is, what we're going to do is we're going to tip them over his head. Ready? So who reckons it could be this one? Ready? Put on your goggles. Yeah. Ready? Oh, not that one. Who reckons it could be this one? Ready? Ooh. Ooh. So that means it is definitely going to be this one. Ready? Up! What happened there? Now, do you think that was magic or do you think that was science?
Science.
Science, exactly, because what I did was I put a special little powder in here. Can you get that? Please, Professor Potty. Oh. Try to tell everyone at home what that is.
So this is sodium polyucrate. Now sodium polyucrate is very special. Sodium polyucrate can hold 100 times its own weight. So that's like Professor Pee-wee here, holding 100 Professor Pee-wees on his back. Okay, you can stop that now.
Now also, sodium polyucrate is the stuff you find inside nappies. So we just made nappy goo. Well, we hope you enjoyed our little video today. If you have, please subscribe to all our little videos. And we hope you have a great day. Cheers! Bye!